What exactly are the steps in the car tinting process? While we're aware that many installers have perfected their own methods to install window film, what you're about to see is a popular way professionals install car window film on most vehicles. By the way, a note to any customers considering installing their own automotive window film, we recommend you see the "Can I install my window film by myself?" to understand why we urge you to let a professional handle your installation. Okay, so let's get started. Step 1, the tinting environment. Bring the car to be tinted in a dust and wind-free space, usually a large interior bay of a building. Step 2, prepping the windows. Clean the windows of the car to be tinted inside and out using a soap and water solution, sponge, squeegee to remove any and all dirt and debris. Step 3, measuring and cutting. Measure the car's windows and cut pieces of film from a master roll to fit those measurements. Lay out the film on an exterior surface of the car window and cut it down more precisely. Heat shrink the film using a heat gun to contour the film so it curves to the glass. Rest assured, a proper professional heat gun designed for this process emits heat at a low setting and will not harm the vehicle. Step 4, the peel board. After the film is cut down to match the pattern of the window, remove the film and place it on the glass. Peel board, to cut down the finer details of the window shape. This is where the release liner is usually removed. Step 5, installation. Once the film has been cut down to the correct size and shape, spray soap and water solution onto the window as well as the film itself. Then remove the film's release liner and apply the film to the interior of the window. Use a squeegee to remove any excess solution that may be under the film and activate the adhesive that secures the film to the window. Step 6, final inspection. Take a look at your work, examining the window from both the inside and the outside to spot any imperfections that need to be fixed. Step 7, dry time. Once the tint job is complete, do not roll down the vehicle's windows for 3 days. Depending on weather conditions and the film type, it can take up to 3 weeks for the film to fully dry and cure. During this time, small water bubbles and/or hazy appearance may appear. This is normal and will disappear as the film dries. There you have it. If you'd like written instructions of the automotive window tinting process, please download the transcript that accompanies this video.